Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It is cafecito time, so make sure you stick around. Hello friends, this is Veronica. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, this is House of Sid, and I make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And one of the coffees that we love on this channel is our Nespresso. So I just went to the boutique locally here to me and picked up some of the new coffees that I've been excited to try and review and make videos for you. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the little subscribe button if you're new, and if you haven't been subscribed yet, why not? Come on guys. I gave away an espresso machine almost 2 years ago, it seems, and I want to give away another one when we hit 5,000 subscribers. I will have another giveaway for an espresso machine. So let's get there. We're kind of halfway. So I just wanted to share with you really quickly my little haul. Of course, I had to get the Whiskey Essence, and this is the one that I'm going to do a video for today to review. I also got I need my glasses. I'm still in denial. I need glasses. Okay, this is the rich chocolate, which used to be the chocolate fudge. Remember, they switched the names and kind of the formulas. This is the golden caramel, which used to be the cookie caramel cookie. I never tried that one. And the other one I got is the sweet vanilla, which was the vanilla custard pie. So I have all of those ready to go. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is the one we're going to test today. It is the very anticipated Whiskey Essence, a barista creations, which I believe is limited edition. Let me just check here. Yes, actually I don't know, but let's see what the box says. Let's see. Why we love it. Barista Creations flavored whiskey essence coffee masterly brings you a whiskey flavor to a smooth and mild double espresso. So this is a double espresso, which is 2.7 ounces or 80 milliliters. The multi-toasted cereal notes of the Latin American Arabicas and Uganda Robusta meat, enticing notes of ripe fruit. This cup grabs your attention with its distinguished liquor notes, bringing the refined taste of whiskey flavor to your coffee. Okay, I am a coffee drinker. I'm not a alcohol drinker. I really don't drink like alcohol. I know, weird. But I don't know if I even have ever tried whiskey. So let's see. Insider tip, enjoy it neat or pour it over ice to try it on the rocks. Okay, so we're going to just brew it and try it and see what it tastes like, okay? And this is, price-wise, it is $13, so $1.30 a capsule. This is what the box looks like. Nothing fancy, just black with the gold leaf lettering. And here is the capsule. Pretty kind of gradient orange color. Okay, my machine is here. Okay, you guys know I haven't made video for a month, so I'm a little rusty. So yeah, let's see what it tastes like. I don't have clear like big enough cups or double cups, so we're just gonna use our little one here. So let me know if anyone has already bought this, tried it, what you think. I bought it almost a week ago, but I am finally trying it out. So yeah, excited. Let's see what it's all about. So I'm gonna make it hot and taste it just as is, and then I'll go ahead and also make it cold. Okay, scent wise, I'm smelling something. It says intense alcohol and liquor notes reminiscent of whiskey outline the bitter, acidic, and fruity notes. Okay, I think that's what I'm smelling, kind of fruity. Okay, definitely smell the fruit. Okay, let's taste it. Doesn't have, looks like there's too much crema there, but we shall see. Okay, that first sip, you guys, I really kind of tasted like alcohol, like if I was drinking like a beer or something. I have had coffee flavored beer, so that's kind of like the taste it gave me at first. I don't know. Okay, I definitely taste the fruity notes. It reminds me of another fruity coffee I've tried in the past. I can't think of it, but if I remember the coffee, I'll put it here. But okay, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. Actually, it's not as bitter as I thought it was gonna be, but it's definitely fruity. So if you like fruity coffees, you may like this one. If you do not like fruity coffees, then you may not like it. Okay, now we're gonna try it with some milk. So I frothed some milk here, just, you know, regular milk. In here, we're going to pour our shot, our double shot. So I guess this would be more like a latte. We're going to mix it up. And now we're gonna taste it. Oh. Okay, so this capsule, this whiskey essence, obviously does not have whiskey. It's not, you know, any liquor in it. But when I poured it into the milk, I guess because of the milk, it kind of gave it like a little sweetness. Almost like, do I want to dare say almost like a little caramelly note to it? I like it, you guys. I like it. I like it with the milk. It just froth. I think this is 1%, 2% milk. I don't know what milk I bought, but just frothed with the milk, and then the shot. I haven't added any sugar, sweetener, syrup, nothing. I like it. It wasn't my favorite just as a shot, but this way, I think I like it. The milk definitely kind of enhances the fruity notes, but like in a good way. It doesn't make it like, the fruitiness tastes almost a little bit sweet. I don't know how to explain it, but it's also giving me like mellow sweetness, almost, I want to say almost caramel notes. I like it. I do like it. Okay, so let's try it cold. I don't know if I should just add ice to this or make a new one. Let's make a new one. Okay, so now I'm going to make it iced with just, you know, over ice. And I have some half and half in the frothers, you know, I have some half and half in the frother that I'm frothing cold to kind of make it like a cold foam. So I'm thinking of maybe doing this like a Americano. So it says insider tip, enjoy it neat or pour it over ice to try it on the rocks. But I do like it with the milk, like a latte. It's pretty good. It does have a little slight smokiness to it, not super smoky, not bitter, and it does have a little fruitiness to it, so I like. Okay, so here it is iced. Should I add some water? Maybe not. Let's see. Ooh. I don't really taste the fruit, as much fruitiness with the ice in it. It's not a very strong coffee, you guys, as far as intensity. Let's see, intensity, it doesn't give an intensity here. but it's not very strong, very bold, very intense. So I'm not gonna add any extra water to it. I'm just gonna pour some of the cold foam. Let's see, so here is my cold foam. You know what? With the ice, it almost kind of loses its fruitiness, its intensity, like it's, what's it called? Smokiness. I think I like it better hot as a latte. Should we add some syrup? Let's add some syrup just for fun. I have a English toffee syrup, a butterscotch syrup, and a almond syrup. I don't know why. I kind of think maybe butterscotch might be good. And these are syrups I bought in like a little box kit over the holidays that I didn't really use, but we shall use them now. I don't know. I think butterscotch sounds like it might go good with whiskey. Okay, so I'm going to pour a little bit in here. And my spoon. I promise my next video will be more organized. Oh, that's pretty good. I think it needs a little bit more. Definitely add a syrup, a flavoring, or some sweetener if you're going to make this capsule iced or cold. So here is my overall final thoughts about the whiskey essence. I like it. It's good. It's not very bold or intense. It's kind of on the, I want to say more mild side, not even medium, in my opinion. I like it. I would repurchase this, and I think I prefer it hot with milk of choice. Just make it like a latte. The flavor is definitely more intense with it hot. Cold is not bad either once you add like a syrup or a flavor, but I think it kind of loses that essence that, you know, the whole point of this is to have the smoky, whiskey, fruity type flavors. I think it loses some of it with ice. I don't know if maybe the ice is just kind of watering it down. I just put ice in there and some froth half and half and some of the butterscotch. Actually, the butterscotch kind of did help it. So not bad at all. I actually enjoyed this whiskey essence. So in my opinion, it's a winner. Pretty good. I actually was kind of like thinking, oh my God, this might be kind of awful. But so far, there's been very few Nespresso capsules that I disliked, like really disliked. This one I like. So in my opinion, it's a winner. It's a go. Have it as a latte. And if you wanted ice, definitely add a syrup or some kind of sweetener. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the whiskey essence capsule from Nespresso. I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. Help our videos grow. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed so we can get to that 5,000 subscribers and do the giveaway. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have bought this capsule, if you've tried it, if you liked it, how you prepared it. I did see kind of like a cocktail recipe online. Maybe I'll try that. So let me know. Let me know if you guys want me to do another video making this as a cocktail. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time for cafecito time. Bye.